Adding and removing users and groups in SecureVPE. Click on Add Groups. Type in the group name or names. If you enter more than one, separate it with a semicolon. Click Check Names once done. Select the correct group and click OK. For local groups, or to change from the default domain, click Locations. Choose the domain or choose the computer for local groups. Click OK. Click OK. To remove a group, expand the domain and click on the groups. Click Remove and click Yes. To add users, click on the Users tab. Click on Add Users. Type in the user name or names. If you enter more than one, separate it with a semicolon. Click Check Names once done. Select the correct username and click OK. Click the Locations button to change the domain or local computer. Users are removed the same way by expanding the domain, clicking on the user, and clicking on Remove. Click on Yes.